everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable game mode for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and at the fourth line we have game mode. To enable it, right here we have a slider. If this slider is empty, it means that it's disabled. So just tap on it, and if this slider is colorful, it means that it's enabled. So to disable it, also click on this slider. Now, when you enable this mode, you may have instability connection. So you need to know. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!